Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel, Soul is Life. Today I'll be showing you the pieces that I'm going to be working with. Here we have the front and back, both the same. It's got two single pieces, the right side is inside, the wrong side is outside. With the pattern pieces, you're going to get 4. I'm using 4 pieces, so this will be 2 for the front and there will also be 2 for the back. Exact piece. So I'm just going to show you what I'm going to be doing to the front pieces. First, we have the 2 pieces together, and there's also a strap that goes on the shoulder. So begin by working on the front piece. First, the front piece has a dot on the side bust or the underarm, either one, but there's a dot that comes this way, 4 inches, 3.5 inches in length. So I'm going to go ahead and put 2 dots right here on the side, roughly 3 inches down. I'm going to go ahead minus the seam allowance, 3 inches down. I'm just going to go ahead and put a dot on the bust. So you're going to have a bust dot and you're going to have a waist dot. So I'm going to go ahead and just roughly show you what I'm going to do. So this is what it's going to look like on both sides. So I'm going to put 1 dot there and the other side. Just gonna have another dot. And I'm gonna do the same on the waist. I'm gonna put 2 dots on the waist area. Also, once I'm done doing that, I'm going to go ahead, whatever the seam allowance is, I'm just going to go ahead and stitch the seam allowance. All the way up to the shoulders. I'm not going to stitch the shoulder, I'm just going to leave the shoulder open, but I'm going to go to the whole neckline and stitch there. Also, I'm going to stitch the armhole. I'm going to put them together and I'm going to go ahead and stitch the armhole. So I'm going to go ahead now, stitch the starts, the bust and the waist dot. I'm going to stitch the neckline and I'm going to stitch the armhole. And then I'll be back to show you what it looks like. I'm going to do that on both the front and back pieces. Like I said, they're both identical. So the only difference with the back is you're not going to be putting the bust dot. You're going to put the bust dot only to the front, but in the back you could put 2 waist dots. So I'm going to go ahead and do both sections, the back and the front, and then I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Here I am back with the front, with the dots sewn, and the back piece. So like I said before, it's 4 pieces, 2 for the front, 2 for the back. So I joined them together, sewing the neckline and the shoulder. So you do the same for the back section. Also, I place the 2 bust darts, and I still have to put the waist dot to the front and the back. So this is what it looks like once you join them together. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to join the shoulders, which my seam's allowance. Just going to stitch all the way across, put them both right side facing each other and stitch it all the way across. Then I'm going to hem the top, and I'm going to join the sides. So I'm going to go ahead now, join the sides, seam's allowance, and I'm going to hem the top, and I'll be back to show you what it looks like. So here we have the buttons sewn in. I also did the buttonholes, I hemmed the top, and I put a strap on the neck line. So this is the finished top. This is what it looks like. So thank you again for visiting my channel. See you next time on my other video.